Today, we will be going to Kawasan Falls, Padyan, Cebu. And this is how it looks like. For those who doesn't know, Kawasan Falls is located in the municipality of Padyan, Cebu, and it's more than 3-hour drive from the city. Since I am from Cebu and I came here for vacation, I thought of visiting our own. Mind you guys, it's not near, but sometimes all you need is full tank and the courage to go. It's very peaceful going there, guys. Imagine the view while I'm driving. From the busy streets, now arrived in Padyan. You can't go directly proceed with the canyoneering without registering. So first, you have to go to Kawasan Canyoneering headquarters. There are a lot of Kawasan Canyoneering tour operator when you reach in Badyan that you can choose from. It really depends on you. In my case, I just paid around 2,100 pesos. That includes the entrance fee, personal guide, water, and a cake bar for snacks. Before starting the canyoneering adventure, we had a short briefing. From the briefing area, there are two options going to the main canyoneering spot, but you need to pay extra for the zipline though. And that's where you do the zipline. From that building to the mountains. Now let's start walking. And that's Kuya right there, our guide for this adventure.
Good morning, guys.
Good morning.
Are you there?
No, this one.
Ano masasabi niyo? Ano masasabi mo? Go Abra.
Hi guys, good morning.
Good morning, guys.
Smile pa na. Good morning.
Meron. Exercise mo na din.
Guys, this is it, Pansit. We're going to canyoneering.
Kaya napos mong balong ba ya?
Portion brought you by.
10
Brought you by.
minutes walking. Okay.
10 minutes walking down.
Sugar. Like sugar in my tongue. Oh. Sige lang taglaban. Laban all the time.
Laban.
Silag laban, way bawi. Smile. Shout out.
Shout out to our friends in the Philippines and in Dubai.
Okay.
Shout out.
Shout out. Di ni live guys, ugma pa ni. 1, 2, 3. Ayun, pinakamagandang tanong. Good now? Anong right na call, ma'am? Ito bang dito? May lang. Okay. Say hi for friends. Okay, say hi. Ah, nag-play ba? Okay, wait. 3, 2, 1. Sorry, Bart. Maui. Oh, Maui, Maui. Ay! Oh!
Nakainom.
Kainom. Nakainom pugog tubig.
Nature spring doon na.
Wala may laing tao, kita ramon. Wala mo kinanghihin na to. Ganyan sa first jam. Kaya ma'am.
Bawal kayo? Turang mo sila, Brad?
Abot na. Hi! Hey guys! Welcome to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe. Paradise. Nasak na tahanan.
Ano ito?
Mariner na ron, o di Korean.
Sabaan kasi
Saba
sila.
kayo. Isa na yan.
Isa na. Nice yung water, no?
Terminal 5.
Mailad.
Whoop! Oh yeah.
And you can find these barbecue stalls in the middle of adventure.
Shout out!
Shout out! Shout out!
Shout out to my friends!
It's so cold, guys. It's so cold here.
So cold. The water is very good.
Jerry and
Tom,
Ian.
the water is very good.
In Canyoneering Bagyan.
Wow, wow, wow! Let's go! Maui, Maui did. Jump shot!
Very social.
Simbahan pa na yan, no? Paggawas.
Sa kayo na ano?
Pre! Ito nagkasal ba?
Wow.
Amawi-wawi. Amawi-wawi. Amawi-wawi.
Nindot kayo na ani flood control. Nindot na sa? Piling na ko ba kayo? Wala doon yung 360 ang camera. Camera na eh. Chok! It's a scam.
Enjoy mo, enjoy.
Yes! Enjoy. Super joy. Thank you guys. Highly recommended si Jerry at si Ayan.
Video sa 360.
Yeah. At mo sa Kawasan Canyoneering Magpo. Then pangitao ninyo si Ayan og si Jerry. Dai, nagid mo yung drone shot for me. Always. Nice tayo. Askin. It's a scam. Yes. Yeah. Ato mo sa kawasan
Okay, hinay lang ma. Okay, hinay lang ma. Last jump. Last jump.
Free food. Hi.
Hi. After all the wow, malaki sa sigal.
Lang rice. This is the rice.
Nice.
Since we finished the adventure very early, we'll drop by to Lambuk, Badyan, Cebu. There's an environmental fee of 45 pesos and 100 pesos for the parking. This beach is one of my go-to before. Just chill and tambay here. Heading back to the city. Someone is so tired while I enjoy the ride. You can also have a quick stop for pasalubong. Thank you for watching. Till our next adventure.